When you feel the thumping sounds, it's give you like, you know, it's feel like I'm in the heaven. I don't need boyfriend, I don't need anything else.
So good afternoon guys, the time is 3:32 now. We just woke up and I just got fresh, took bath, and then now we are getting ready to go to the venue. Yesterday we had a very hectic ride. We rode for around 22 hours I guess, right Gagan?
Yeah.
He's there, he's also getting ready. So we'll go to the venue and then you know, get ourselves rested.
Yes.
Right? And then after that I will show you around the venue, the camp and everything. We also got some batches and some stickers to be distributed, and then we'll be doing that. My friends have already taken their breakfast, come lunch, come afternoon tea or whatever you want to call it.
Like brunch, more than brunch.
Yes, it's extended brunch. So I'll go and have my breakfast now, and then I will also show you around this place. We will show you. Yes, we will show you. Right. Yes, yeah. Sorry. So last night we didn't pitch our camp. I didn't pitch our tents in the camp. We didn't go inside the camp. So we had booked a lodge here nearby. Lodge is pretty good. Yeah. Right, for $700 per night. Better.
Running water.
Yes, running water and everything. The room is a little shabby now, but what to do? We can't help. So first we'll have our food and then we'll proceed. So since I just woke up, I saw that right in front of the room where we stayed last night, the flag of Kingsway Riders has been put on here in front of the room. Kingsway Rocks. So if you see the side, this is the lodge where we are staying. This is our room, C3. By the way, the name of this lodge is Highway Restaurant Resort. Guys, so here are some riders. Can you please introduce yourselves?
Hi, it's me, Toy from Silchar.
Toy from Silchar?
Yeah.
And
I am Nick from Silchar, Wheels of Hills Club, Motor Riders Assam.
Motor Riders Assam. Oh, you're from Assam? Okay. Hi. Talk. So behind me, those are our bikes we rode last night. So I guess I'll be getting my breakfast come lunch here. I'm already late, but I hope I will get it. So I just found out that my breakfast is ready here. I will take it now.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Guys, so I just had my food. So what am I here for? I'm in Kolasip. Kolasip in Mizoram is headquarters of one of the districts, 8 administrative districts. We have come here to attend MEK, yeah. Mizoram Enfield Kutpui. It is annual riders meet.
Yes, of Mizoram.
Of Mizoram. There is a club called 05. This year they are organizing the event.
Yeah. Okay. They are the host.
Yes. My coffee is ready.
Yes.
Would you like to share?
Yes.
So tell us something about Kolasip.
Kolasip has a International Guerrilla Warfare Institute. It's Asia only institute.
Okay. International Guerrilla Warfare.
In a counterinsurgency. So even specialist in that is the basic main important thing I know about Kolasip. Yes. People comes from US, Russia, different countries. They come to get trained here. It's #1 in Asia. So this is the only, I think.
Great. Yeah. So what are we going to do right now?
We are going
After taking coffee, we'll go to the venue.
Yes.
And then we'll introduce ourselves or meet people.
Yeah.
Fellow riders.
Yes.
Okay. And after that, we'll go around
Spread
the camp.
love.
Spread love,
yeah. Brotherhood.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Gagan and I am going to share this cup of coffee.
No. This is how we share.
This is how we share. Brotherhood. By the way, last night he prepared a really awesome Maggi.
Yes.
After reaching at 5:30, we were feeling hungry. We had our dinner at around 11 o'clock at night.
Yes.
And after 6 hours of ride, and we were really hungry. And he really prepared very good Maggi. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah. Welcome. But I'm going to smoke.
In this video.
Smoking is injurious to health. Actually, why I smoke is like people say it's smoking kills a man slowly. So I am not in hurry. So that's why I smoke.
You are very rich.
Yeah, I'm from Mahad.
Good. So, Gagan has told me that Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram, is around say 90 kilometers from here. And we are planning to ride day after tomorrow. That is on.
Might be tomorrow.
Might be tomorrow also. Okay, tomorrow we have a very big event here, huge event, and then we'll see how long we can attend there.
Yes.
If it's possible, by evening we will ride to Aizawl.
Aizawl.
Okay. What I heard is, if you see Aizawl town at night,
Really
they say
beautiful.
it's really beautiful. So we'll try, if we can manage it tomorrow evening, then we'll try to go
give you
over
some
there.
live shots
Live shots, yes.
with pictures.
With pictures, right. Hi.
Nice.
Kiman pause Devaro. How many pauses will you give, bro?
5. 3 done, 2 more to go.
Great.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Okay. Yeah, alright guys, right now I'm with Andrew Green. He's from Konkui Motorcycle Club. So I would like Andrew to tell us something about this MEK.
When we talk about MEK, it's about Mizoram Enfield Coach. Looking at the MEK, it may feel like it's like within Mizoram, but this MEK belongs to all the riders within Northeast, even outside. This year, it's hosted by Scholarship of 5 riders.
How many participants have come for this ride this year? This is the 3rd year, I guess.
This is the 3rd year. We are expecting around 250.
Right.
By tomorrow for Chaptakud, we are expecting around at least 150 to 200 people together in the Chaptakud event.
What are the things we can expect if we come to this ride?
So we get to know with each other. You ride out, we get to know each other, you help each other. If you are searching for
This is awesome. Yeah.
From Kingsway.
Yeah, Kingsway, we came together,
Yes.
enjoying together. Everything is together.
Everything is together.
This is actually my fourth MEK continuously. And it's one of the best events I have ever attended, you know. That's why I cannot miss it.
Yes.
Great.
Bro, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the updates.
Wherever you are there, I'll be there.
Yeah.
If I'm not there, my phone will be there, my phone will ring.
Yes.
You help, I help.
Yes.
That's my motto.
Thank you so much. Yes, I am with Mr. Badeng. He's from Redam. He's a very senior rider. Yes, kindly tell us something about this event, your experiences and all.
I've been riding all the way for a long time. Like this event has been started since like 2014, and I was I have attended this event for a long time. So we keep on coming, and it's a nice place. It's just a brotherhood that we have here. We don't have the love among our brothers is the main thing that we share. We respect ourselves among brothers. We don't take resistance, we don't take anything. Come what may, but to help a rider is a brotherhood. So this is what we respect among ourselves.
Please visit Northeast.
Yeah.
Northeast India.
Yeah,
if you have not visited it, it's beautiful and you will have an amazing time.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you, Badeng, for your time. Thank you so much. Danny, I am with Jimmy right now.
Danny Tenzongpa. This is Jimmy. Danny. Why do you don't come?
Thanks, bro. Right now, I'm with chief of one of the clubs in Mizoram. He's the chief of Royal Knights, a Royal Enfield club in Mizoram. Chief, please tell us something about yourself and introduce the club.
My name is Marama.
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 And he's the chief of RK.
Yes. Royal Knights, we are in Lunglei. We are about 35 club members. We are the second biggest club in Mizoram.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So guys, right now what I've done is I've introduced you to a few fellow riders, and then now what I'll be doing is I will be showing you around the venue here. There are some food stalls, stalls providing traditional drinks and all, and there are also stalls selling some few items.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Hello. Check. Hello, check. Hello.
Guys, Andrew Green has been helping me a lot in this MEK meetup, and right now he has introduced me to a new lady rider. She is Kimi Alte. And I've seen only a few lady riders. Kimi, what do you have to say about this event?
Oh my god, this is like the dream came true for me as a rider. As a pillion rider, I've been to Simhui, of course, that was hosted by Aizol Thunder.
Okay.
And as a rider, this is my first time and I really love it. Yeah, and superb. And all the riders from all parts of India, I am suggesting you to attend MEK once in a lifetime.
She has also been riding solo. She told me just now that she rode from Aizol to Guwahati. Single, solo, right? Do you want to say anything about that?
Actually, it was a great experience for me, and I've learned many things, and I gained many experience as well. So I am encouraging all the women to ride in Royal Enfield, because when you feel the thumping sounds, it's give you like, you know, it's feel like I'm in the heaven. I don't need boyfriend, I don't need anything else. So I love it. So all the women, I'm suggesting you to please go for Royal Enfield and please ride. You will love it.
It's very Bondra.
It's very Bondra. Okay. So see, I would like to suggest you that Royal Enfield is not only for a man. We have to prove them wrong. We women can do. Woo!
But why are you concentrating on proving men wrong? We are supposed
No,
to
actually the women, most of the women, just hearing the thumping sound, because of this sound, they just feel that it is just meant for a man. But no, it is super for women as well. So that's why I just want to prove you wrong, because many men are saying that Royal Enfield is a manly thing. It is located with like it is like, you know, it involves your emotion. So it involves our emotion as well. So I too love my bikes. My bike name is Lion and I love it. He's Leo. So my bike is Lion. So all the women, please, I request you, try once, you'll love it.
Make sure she's Kimmy.
Yeah,
okay. She is Kimmy. Look out for her in Guwahati when she comes.
Yeah, sure. I'll be there in Guwahati soon, guys. Catch me up.
Thank you so much, Kimmy.
Thank you
so much. Yeah.